I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Target Circle membership, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Target app. Launch the Target app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the top right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your membership. Step 3. Navigate to Target Circle. Scroll down to find the Target Circle section within your account settings. This is where you can view your membership status and options. Step 4. Select Cancel Membership. In the Target Circle section, look for the option to cancel your membership. Tap on it and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message on the app. Make sure to check your email as well for a cancellation confirmation to ensure it was processed. Remember, if you don't see the cancel option, it might be due to a temporary glitch or needing to update the app. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your membership easily.